Attention all flooring contractors. Business and residential customers across the country are looking for trained craftsmen to install polished concrete floors and resinous flooring systems. Duraamen is America's leading manufacturer of industrial coating and polished concrete flooring systems. Duraamen products have been in use since 2002 in residential, commercial, and industrial spaces. The product range includes polishable self-leveling concrete toppings, concrete microtoppings, also called skim coats or concrete overlays, sprayable microcements, self-leveling epoxy coatings used in commercial and industrial spaces, urethane modified concrete, and MMA resinous flooring systems. We also have products for decorative floors like metallic epoxy coatings, garage coatings, quartz flooring, and more. That's why flooring contractors need the Installer's Edge Advanced Contractor Workshop. In this 2-day workshop, you'll learn all the tips and develop the skills from nationally recognized industry pros. You will learn to create beautiful polished concrete floors using Duraamen's self-leveling concrete and microcement. Incorporate wood patterns in concrete overlays. Install garage floors in 1 day using our polyaspartic and polyurea products. Create beautiful polished concrete floors using Tarazi sprayable microcement. The do's and don'ts of installing urethane concrete. The skills to install beautiful epoxy floors. Creative ways to use dyes and stains, various sealers, and top coats. When and how to use these products, and much more. You'll also learn the proper application methods for each of these systems. All workshops are hands-on and limited in size, so you can get the best personalized training. You'll earn certification, allowing you to bid on projects in this new and exciting growing market. To see the upcoming workshops in your area, follow the link below for more information and to register.